Hello guys, today we are going to make a bed. This one is so cool. Let me pull my notes over here. Okay. This is in paper modeling. It is in the second series. It is number 8. So we're going to have a 12 by 6 inch piece of paper, and we're going to fold this into 16 equal parts. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold it in half, and then fold the halves in half. There's 4. Now turn it like this and fold this in half. And then fold the sides in. There's your 16 squares. Now, rectangles, I guess, they're not really squares. We're going to cut off one side. So completely remove 4 of the squares. Like that. We remove these. Now we're going to fold each of the middle divisions again into halves. Alright, so fold the bottom up to the middle line. See how that made 6 squares? And fold this bottom up to this line here. And we're going to label this square F. No, I'm sorry, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. This is D, and then this is B. And we have a A and a C. So for A and C, we're going to split those in half. I'm just kind of freehanding it there, so that shows what we're going to cut off. N is long. We're just going to cut off a little bit at the bottom here. Alright, so there's how we cut it. Now we're going to remove all this, this, and this. So this is what we have. This is going to become a bed. So we need to cut K and M. So we're going to cut down just K, just there. And then we're going to cut down M, just to there. And then fold in A, fold in C. Make sure they fold. D. So D goes down like this, and then A and C curve around like this to make the headboard. So I'm going to glue that down. So I'm going to put glue all over D and fold that up. Alright. Now, when I fold that up, I can see A and C here. I'm going to put glue A and glue C right there. Hold it back down. fold that in, and then fold A and C into the sides. And I like to just give it a little staple because glue is not that great. Now for the back of the bed, I'm going to fold it down. We're going to fold M and K on the inside. So underneath like this. M and K go underneath. So we're going to put glue on M and K, fold them underneath, and then N goes up like this. And then you can cut a pretty design here if you want. I'm just showing the basic bed, but you can definitely cut a post design on the top of N on A, B, C before you glue it, if you want, or you can do it after. Then glue L, fold that up. And there is your little bed. I think it would fit a little baby critter from the Critter series. Looks like a king's bed now. So that is the bed. Enjoy.